First, connect printer with your laptop Bluetooth.
Go to Settings.
Click on Bluetooth and Devices.
Click on View More Devices. Click on Add Device. Click on Bluetooth. Click on printer name and when asked, put password 0000 and click on Connect. Now go to More Bluetooth settings and check outgoing COM port of the printer. In this case, it is COM4 but it can be different in your case.
Go to our website www.posbox.in and navigate to Downloads page of model PB80BT-L. Click on Windows and download label driver. Double-click on downloaded file. Selected language should be English. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Here USB is already selected. From drop-down, select Model 3-inch series. Select COM, click Next. Select COM4. We have selected COM4 as it was our outgoing port. In your case, select your outgoing COM port. If you have a doubt, then you can still go to More Bluetooth settings to check your outgoing COM port. You need to make sure that you select correct COM port. Printer installation is completed. Now go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Here you can see that PosBox printer is installed. Click on that. Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. In Printer Preferences, you can change the size of your label. You can create a new label size by clicking on New. Hope this video was helpful.